Welcome back, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal back with you with the Maryland office in natural transplants, and it's ugly sweater day today for Christmas, so that's why I'm dressed the way I am. But today, I am so thrilled, so excited. We've been looking forward to this for a long time. Allie is here. She's in the DMV area, and she has come. We did a consult a while ago, and another one not too long ago, and today has finally arrived. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for doing this. Hopefully you'll help some other people out there as well. If you wouldn't mind sort of introducing yourself and tell everybody why you're here.
Hi everyone, my name is Allie and I'm a proud transgender woman of color of Filipino descent. I transitioned back in 2014 and I've always had a problem with my hairline, receding hairline. And finally, it's 2021. I just want to have the courage to do it. And finally, Dr. Kevin is right here who's going to help me. So I'm just so if you're watching this video, that means you just have to do it.
and I, like we talked about before, I'm honored and I am so happy that you chose me to help you along this journey, and I don't take that lightly. And I know this can be a very emotional thing, and thank you for letting me be a part of this. This is fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna have Kenza just zoom in. I'm gonna pull your hair back just so we can kind of get a sense of what we're working on today. And you can see you have a decent amount of recession up in the corners, temples, corners, and thinning on the top as well too. Now, obviously, we're not going to be able to do this entire area in one day, but really the goal is a more feminine look. We're probably going to drop the hairline about a finger or so, and then connect to the temples to get rid of this. I anticipate, assuming we can get the plus, we're going to be able to at least get back to the frontal third. If we have more, awesome. We'll continue to march back as far as we can go. But I would love, if I anticipate we'll be able to get the frontal third, drop it down so it's a much more feminine, rounded look. Sound good?
Sounds good.
I'm excited. Awesome.
Super excited.
We're going to do a little bit of drawing, do a little shaving. We'll come back with you and check in with you in a few.
Yeah,
Sounds
perfect.
Good. Awesome.
Sounds good.
All right. All right, Allie, we are on the home stretch. We're just finishing up, cleaning up. How you feeling?
Feeling great.
Doing all right?
Yes.
You had a little bit of lunch. You didn't really eat that much, but we listened to a lot of music today.
We did.
Some Michael Bublé, some Christmas music. Ended up with some
Taylor Swift.
T-Swift. So you look comfy. We had a good time.
We did.
You in any pain at all right now?
No pain yet.
Okay. Good.
Yeah,
Good. Let's keep it that way. Mm-hmm. All right. So we're just finished cleaning it up, and then we'll head next door, and then we'll go over all the instructions and see how you look at the end. Okay?
Yep.
All right. See you in a few.
See you in a few.
All right. Dr. Blumenthal back. We are finished. Allie, you are done. Congratulations. You look fantastic. How did the day go? Be honest. How did the day go?
Dr. Kevin.
Yeah.
Well, the great thing is everything is in the right steps and right process. And then right in between, you also get breaks. So you're definitely okay. They always ask you if you feel anything, and that's really what I felt like. I felt like I was really taken care of, and everything was explained fully. So guys, just do it if you need to.
That's awesome. We had a fantastic day. I'm super excited. I love the line on you. It came out really, really well. I'm going to zoom in just so we can kind of see what we did today and how far back. We really packed it in tight. The last finger in the back of the frontal third just sort of blended it in so it's not quite as dense. You can see my sweater in the background there, but love the temples. We really packed it in tight, both sides. A little bit of oozing on this side, which is normal, and then kind of show the back. We put a little bacitracin on the back so it's a little goopy, but once that heals, it's going to be beautiful. I love it. Allie, you did it. Congratulations. All that waiting, all this time. Welcome to the family. You did a great job. Any words of advice or encouragement for anybody kind of on the fence out there?
If you've been thinking about it and you're watching this, that means you have to do it. Just do it and do it for yourself. This is part of your self-care.
Yeah.
And I'm proud of you. Just do it.
Awesome. Allie, thank you for including this, including us in your journey. I can't wait to sort of see over the year how you progress, and hopefully you can send us pictures and we'll see you at the year mark, and hopefully do a follow-up, and hopefully this helps people out there that like you were helped, and this helps other people out there.
Definitely.
All right, thank you so much for sharing your story. We'll see you soon. Okay.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.